is Vivian Obundi. The purpose of this persuasive speech is to let teenagers and adults know that smoking is bad for your health. Have you ever had a cigarette before? If so, you may regret your decision. Research has stated that smoking is the leading cause of lung cancer in the world we are today. You may say, I have at least smoked one time, but once is enough to cause a big impact on you, in your life. I have seen people who've been smoking for a very long time, and in the process, in trying to get satisfaction on smoking, develop health issues. I've seen pictures of lungs turning black over a long period of smoking. I've seen normal lungs, and I have seen the one damaged by smoking. So I've also come across people in my healthcare profession who develop long-time diseases through smoking. I've worked in a hospital for over 20 years, and in my working in the hospital, it's been clear that smoking had a major problem to people's life, especially the ones that have smoked for a very long time or half of their entire life. Smoking has a very big impact in someone's life. It could lead to respiratory issues, lung cancer. True lung cancers can be caused by smoking. The effects include COPD, which could include emphysema and chronic bronchitis. Cigarette smoking causes most cases of lung cancers. You can also develop asthma. Tobacco smoker can also trigger attack. If you have attack on asthma, and it could worsen it too if they already have asthma. So my persuasion is to help you realize that smoking is bad for you. Smoking has a major issue in the past decade. It's becoming the leading cause of lung cancer and various other life-threatening diseases. Smoking used to be a very popular thing that people thought was a second-hand nature to them. Soon, the world realized that it really has a negative impact on us, and most people need to stop now. I have seen some of the impact of smoking, and it's an unbelievable sight. I used to have a patient I was taking care of who developed a lung cancer after a long time of smoking. It was really an unbelievable sight, and you would not wish you continue smoking after seeing my old patient that I used to take care of. So smoking is bad. I don't know I'm gonna convince you, but I'm telling you it is bad for your health, and it is not good. Some of the smoking can also lead to other cancers too. Smoking has been one of the biggest causes of lung cancers since the 21st century. Smoking can turn your lungs to become dark, and it makes you receive respiratory care, because once it turns black, it will not function properly anymore. So that increases that affects your breathing by leading you can breathe. You see some heart palpitation. You can't breathe on your own. O2 is so low. So that's when the respiratory system comes in. The respiratory care comes in. And you want to avoid that by stop smoking. Non-smokers can include can also inhale through secondhand smoking. This has made people who have worked hard before in their lives receive illness and respiratory diseases. Secondhand smokers also receive the symptoms that smokers do have. So if you have a family member, if you are a smoker and you have families around you, it's risky to the children, risky to your parents, and to your friends around you. Because when you smoke, they inhale it. It's not only harmful to you, but it's also harmful to the people around you. You want to help them by giving them good health. You want to help them by giving them good health. So one of the ways you could help them is by helping yourself to stop smoking, because it's bad for you. According to a post, this TV show, The Doctors, there was a show about the risk of smoking, the negative effect to people who smoke. So one of the speakers was saying that smoking lets you develop a pressure and forces you to keep smoking, or else you won't be satisfied. This allows people to get addicted to it, and that's the trick. When you smoke, you will try to get satisfaction, thereby continuously smoking, and that could lead to addiction. It says that program also said that smoking can also can make you jumping and hyperactive. Smoking does this because of the nicotine inside of the cigarette. This nicotine can cause an increase in your heart rate and your blood pressure. Smoking will also lead to lung cancer, and your lungs become less flexible. This allows you to breathe harder, and which is not good. So it needs to be stopped and looked at. For my research material, I use a video I use a video that was shown on a doctor's show. There was these two lungs. One was so dark and one was clear. That lung that was black shows that individual has been smoking their entire life, and they developed COPD. So my thinking is, I'm trying to persuade you that smoking is not good for your health. Stop smoking.